Elon Musk once said, "You get paid in direct proportion to the difficulty of problems you solve." And what's one problem Americans face every week? Junk. Old sofas, broken TVs, worn-out mattresses, construction mess. Now imagine this ... You build a business solving that problem. No degree, no office, no investment, just action. 030 to 130 Introduction to the Business Idea. Welcome to today's business idea, scrap removal service, junk hauling. It's one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money in the USA. People will literally pay you to take their junk away. And guess what? You don't even need a truck on day one. You can rent one, partner with a friend, or use Facebook groups to start. 130 to 230 How to start step by step. Step 1. Create a free business page on Facebook and Google My Business. Post affordable junk removal, same-day pickup. Step 2. Search Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist for people giving away junk for free. Call and ask, "Do you need help removing this?" Step 3. Offer pickup. Charge $60, $150 per job. You can do 3 to 5 small jobs a day equals to $100, $500 a day. Step 4. Sell metals, wires, and recyclables to local scrapyards for extra cash. 230 to 330 Tools and resources free or cheap. Gloves, mask, dolly rent if needed. Free truck listings. U-Haul hourly rental or rent from a friend. Use Canva for your business cards or flyers. Promote your service in Facebook neighborhood groups, OfferUp, Nextdoor, Craigslist. 332 for 30 Real income potential. In most cities, people charge $75 to $300 per pickup. If you just do 2 jobs a day equals $150, $600 daily. In 1 week, you're already earning more than a minimum wage job without a boss. And in 30 days, you can hire help and scale it. 4:30 to 5 o'clock strong closing and CTA. So next time you hear Elon Musk talk about solving problems, remember, junk is a real problem in America. And smart people make real money solving it. Want more simple business ideas like this? Subscribe to MM.Business Ideas. Hit like and start building your future from scrap to success.